In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC step by step. No emulator, no complicated setup, and it works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. By the end of this video, you will have CapCut running on your computer and exporting videos like this. CapCut for PC is completely free. You don't need BlueStacks, you don't need a high-end computer. I will also show you how to sign in properly because this is where most people get stuck. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now go to the search bar. Type CapCut for PC, then press Enter. You will see many websites, but be careful. Do not download from random websites. You must download only from the official CapCut website. The official website is CapCut.com. It usually appears at the top of the search results. Click the first result that says CapCut Video Editor Official Site. If your website looks like this, you are in the correct place. Now, look at the top right corner. You will see a button that says Download for Windows. Click on it. The installer file will now begin downloading. It is safe and the file size is around a few hundred megabytes, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Find the file named CapCut Setup. Double-click it. If Windows asks, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes?" click Yes. This is normal. Now, the CapCut installer will open. Simply click Install. You don't need to change any settings. Wait for the installation to finish. This usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. Once it completes, CapCut will launch automatically. Now, this part is very important. CapCut will ask you to sign in. Many people skip this and then the app doesn't work properly. Click Sign in with Google or sign in with TikTok. I recommend using Google because it is faster. Select your email and allow access. After signing in, CapCut will fully unlock all features. If the login page does not open, here is the fix. Close CapCut, right-click the CapCut icon, click Run as Administrator, then try signing in again. This solves the problem for most users. Now, let me quickly show you how to start editing. Click New Project. Select any video from your computer and click Open. Drag the clip down to the timeline. Now your video is ready for editing. Click Text, then click Add Text. Type anything you want. You can move it anywhere on the screen and resize it. Next, click Effects. Choose any effect you like and drag it onto the clip. You can preview it instantly. Now we export the video. Click the Export button at the top right. Keep resolution at 1080p, then click Export again. Your video will now render and save to your computer. If CapCut refuses to install, your PC may be missing updates. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install everything. Then restart your computer and try again. If the app is lagging, close other programs and make sure your computer has at least 4 GB RAM. For best performance, your PC should have Windows 10 or Windows 11, 4 GB RAM minimum, and about 2 GB free storage.